Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm part of the Strategic Content Development team here at Blackbaud. In this second video of our series on assessments, we're taking a look at building the assessment questions and content. To get us started, we can access the builder from the Assignment Center or Class Assignments page by selecting the context menu, then Edit. We can add an introduction that students will see before they begin the assessment. We can include any special instructions or general information about the assessments students are about to take. We can also enable some additional details we may want to display for students, including the time to complete the assessment, the number of points the assessment is worth, and a breakdown of the questions by type. Then we get into adding our questions. There are 5 types of questions available: multiple choice, fill in the blank, essay, true/false, and matching. To add a question, just select Add and choose the question type. All question types support images and file uploads, including audio and video attachments within the question. Multiple choice and matching questions also support images in the answer choices. We also see a field here to enter points for this question. This field is only displayed if the assessment is set up to assign points per question. It will not appear if the assessment is set up to divide points equally. Let's take a closer look at a matching question. First, you'll notice that we have the option to allow for partial credit. Let's go ahead and mark it so students will get credit for the answers they do match correctly, even if they don't get all of the matches right. Matching questions include a space for instructions in case any additional directions are needed. To create a matching question, we add prompts on the left with the matching answers on the right. Here we have students matching novels to the authors. If we want to make a matching question a bit more challenging, we can also add distractors, which are extra answers that don't have a matching prompt. We may want to include a few similar questions in our assessment. For example, we have a question about what year Great Expectations was published. If we want to ask the same question about another novel, we can select the copy icon to duplicate the original question. Then edit the copy to change the book and mark the new answer correct. As we're adding our questions, we can select Preview Assessment to see what it will look like for our students. We see the instructions page, then we can select Begin Test to view the questions as they will be displayed for students. I'm happy with my assessment and it's ready for students to take. So I'm going to go ahead and select Change Availability and mark it ready for taking. This means students will see the take option for the assessment as long as it's published and they're within the assigned and due dates. Once students start the assessment, I'll no longer be able to add or remove questions or adjust question points. However, I can edit the text, media, and correct answers if needed. Lastly, we may have a few students who will take the assessment on paper. We can select Print Assessment, then choose the text size and the number of blank lines to display on paper for essay questions. Then select Print Preview and finish printing the assessment. Check out the next video in our series for more on the student's view of the assessment and the results page.